Alright cruisers, what we have going on today, pretty exciting day just because I have never received anything in the mail. Made a friend down in the States, that's where I'm from if you guys didn't know by the accent. He sent me some of my favorite things. This actually took a long time for it to get here, which are stickers. If you guys didn't know, I'm obsessed with stickers. Love putting them on my toolboxes and also now on my new table. Still don't have my welder, but at least I have the table. So he sent me this one, which is gonna go right there, right in the front. He sent me something from a little catalog that I think that they had in regards to a race. And my favorite, which will go on my wall, which he sent me a photo of his truck. So it's a 40 series, and then he signed it as well. And the second one, I think it's a poster for a race that they had, Rusty Nail. Check them out on Instagram. I'll put the link to it. What we're doing today now, we'll go over a little project of what's going on. I will stick this in the table. We are repainting all the parts on the car. I had everything fabricated, like the steering column. This is for the brake booster because it's an older cab. This is for the pedal for the LS3 in order for it to be mounted to the cab. And then this was obviously, pick that up in a second. This is inside the steering column. We're going to sand all this down and then repaint everything. We'll refurbish this, the top, repaint it as well. What I'm using, I had this, Heidi picked this up in the States a few months ago. I still haven't had to use it yet, but pretty much this has not been released in the state or in Australia yet. So that's why when she was down there for a seminar for her jewelry, she picked this up for me. So N12 fuel, and it's the little grinder. But this is a 90-degree angle grinder. This one actually just has the button instead of having the little switch that you had to press and hold. And also you only need one tool in order to use it. What I'm going to use this for is with the Renegade little brush things to be able to sand all these little parts without having to use actually the proper sander for it. So wish me luck. Last thing what I'm doing with this is, a lot of people probably might say this is an overkill, but I'm using this. It's like my favorite product. And this is not for an ad or anything. It's just that I really like this stuff. It's anti-corrosive epoxy primer by Raptor. It's like makes things so much easier to sand and also to protect everything from rust, especially these parts. And it makes the painting process twice as easy. Wish me luck. I'll show you guys the final result.